How to fix ChatGPT not working. So sometimes when you try to log into ChatGPT, you can see this, you can't sign in, or you can see that your token generation failed or some other weird bugs. So how to fix it? So usually it happens during peak usage times in the United States. And yeah, so that's just when it happens. Or sometimes when they do some major new update, yeah, there also you will see this kind of weird bugs. So that's where it is. So how to fix? You just need to wait a few hours or just one day. Alternatively, you can just upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. If you can log in, then yeah, just try to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. If you can't log in, then yep, you can try from web, from other places, and try to upgrade. Then you will see less of these errors, hopefully. But even with ChatGPT Plus, sometimes you just can't log in, which is super annoying because you're paying money and you just can't log in. So you can go to like Down Detector app and see like, all right, so OpenAI was just down recently, and it was down recently for like 5 hours, or even, yeah. So now it's yeah. So it was kind of down like for even 6 hours or so, from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Yeah, and then you can see outages. So if you see that, then this option is just to wait if you're not in a rush, and you can see the outage lasts like from 2-3 hours to 7 hours to 8 hours on average, and then it should work again. And then yeah, you can just try to use it again in early morning or something. So yeah, super annoying, but it's not that often, these bugs, but they are present, and sometimes these bugs are like once per month or during some like new model release. So that's just what's happening. So yeah, that's what it is.